Are you gonna open your presents, your birthday presents?
Yeah.
You already opened one?
You can do that.
So you can do it. Daddy's gonna record.
Knock them out.
I'm not allowed to take it.
Oh, wow. What is that?
Like it?
Yeah. I like the glowing up part.
I know, and guess what? You can take that one underwater.
Yeah.
Ooh, does that mean bathtub?
Yep, bathtubs, pool.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's see it.
Now remember, if there's
let's
stuff
see.
that you didn't get for your birthday that you asked for,
Don't forget,
don't
tomorrow.
forget you're getting presents tomorrow too. There's a lot of stuff in that one.
Just dump it all out. Ooh. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
That is a lot of stuff.
These.
What's this?
Lip gloss. Purple lip gloss.
So what do you got? You got like
Halloween ones?
You
autofocus,
got another Dumbo.
Mommy,
What,
Shopkins.
baby?
is it okay if I open this when I'm done opening all my presents?
Yeah, of course.
Your
Here, put them back in your bag.
Let's put them. You want me to put them in here so you can open them later?
Yep.
You got pumpkins. You got little baskets. Look, have you seen these before? I think these are new.
I heard about these.
I know. And look, did you see this? It's tape on these. It's two different things here. Do you like it? Look at those. I hope you get a limited edition in here.
I can make my own gingerbread house.
This is a gingerbread. You know those calendars for Christmas? Every day in December you open up a little thing.
Yeah.
Well, there's a toy. Yeah. Well, this one has toys.
This one has Tsum Tsums in each
So
one.
yeah, every day you get a new Zoom Zoom. So in Christmas time, see, look, you open them up. So every day, so like on December 1st, you open it up, you get a toy, a Zoom Zoom. But the next day you open it up, you get a toy, Zoom Zoom. They're all Zoom Zooms.
Oh.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
I love this
Oh.
one.
Huh?
I wrapped it twice. She's saying, huh? Because there's still paper still on it. Do you know what that is? You don't know what it is? It's new.
Is this a real bird?
It's a patches for real. Remember? Oh, you'll wait till you see the front. Turn it around. It's gonna hatch out of the egg. And it could be either one of this. You could get either a penguin or a dragon. And we don't know which one's in
You
here.
can turn it around.
Have you seen the
That's a
video?
real
It
egg?
has a real egg? Is it moving?
It's
Oh.
just blowing up.
Wow, so you have to keep rubbing it and playing with it. Oh, that's a pretty egg. Let me see, turn it around. Wow. The more you play with it, then it hatches.
I love to get eggs. Even
That's your baby egg. So you remember, you know when we told you that you had all your birthday presents, that you already had all of them? You have one more. That's from Mommy and Daddy. You want to see it? Okay, come on. Let's give Daddy the camera.
Oh wow, come show me.
it's a
Let
dragon.
Daddy go first though.
It's a
Get
dragon.
her reaction over there in the garage.
It's a dragon.
Hold on, Lauren. Don't open it. Don't open it, Lauren.
I know, it's me. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm just putting this in there real quick. So dope. I love this thing.
You ready? Lola! Okay, make sure you get her face.
Ready. What did you think? Come here, baby. Right here. Look. Here you go. This side, George, you're driving.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it the
Put your baby in the passenger seat.
It's okay to leave the ball on forever.
Sure.
forever? Wow.
Does it move right now?
It's ready. If you want to get in, Dad will take you. Other side, honey.
Wow. Turn. Okay.
Scanner in the car. Cruising.